Hey there, it's Melissa Thompson with Crye-Leike Realtors and your Key to Memphis team. And today I just wanted to answer the question on how do I pay my mortgage off early. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. All right, data shows that over 40% of people in America actually have paid their houses off, which is kind of neat. Most people think, well, I'm going to buy a house and then it's going to allow me to get equity and buy another house, which is fine too. It just depends on the different, part of your life where you are. But if your goal, this is your forever home and you want to pay it off early, let's just talk about some things that we can do. First off, you can switch to bi-monthly payments. So if you're paying, say if your payment's $2,000 a month, that's $24,000. But if you go to bi-monthly, then that's going to be $26,000. So you've made an extra payment in that time frame, and it really doesn't affect your budget much. So that's one way to look at it too. If you have a 30-year $200,000 mortgage on an interest rate of 5% on a bi-monthly payments, it'll save you like $34,000 at the end of the term, which is huge. And then second, you can make an extra payment each month. So you can take your payment and they have a blank like mine does where you can write an extra principal amount. So even if you paid like $100 a month, that adds up and it'll cut off the years off the end of it. So statistics show it's like 5 to 8 years that it cuts it off if you make an extra payment for the year, which is big. And then you can also refinance into a shorter term. So if you can afford more a month, you could refinance it and go from a 30 to 15, which the interest rate's lower and that dollar amount is really, really huge on what you would save, if that makes sense as well. But for a refi, that's different if you're going from a 30 to 15. But if you're just refinancing your 30-year loan for whatever reason, the rule of thumb is it should be 2% lower. So right now it's hard to get to that because the rates are so low. But there's a lot of finance fees to put back in, so it doesn't make a whole lot of sense unless there's something going on in your life and you need to. But it needs to be about 2%. You shouldn't do it for like 0.5%. So just rules of thumb to think about. We have mortgage lenders. If you need names, if you have information about this, just reach out and let us know. We're happy to help in any way. The number is 901-729-9526. Thanks so much. Have a great day.